guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you are new, my name is Arina, and if you are coming back, I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'll be swatching the Intuit Blooming Matte Lipstick. I have all shades with me. So if you have a similar skin tone to mine, this video will be a reference for you. If you're interested to know what this lipstick looked on me, keep on watching. Okay, before I give you guys some product information, this is what the packaging looks like. So this is what it looks like before I remove the plastic shrink, and this is what it looks like after I open it. I really adore the packaging actually because it's very cute. They have two different versions. If you buy the matte version, it will look like this frosted plastic, and inside you have this golden floral pattern, which is beautiful. The other one is a moist lipstick which have a shiny finish. I did a first impression review on this lipstick. You can watch it up here, but just to give you a brief review, this lipstick does have a matte finish when you apply it on the lips, but it doesn't have the properties of a matte lipstick, which is drying and transfer proof. But I like it because it feels hydrating on the lips and you can easily remove it with a tissue. You don't really have to have a micellar water or cleansing oil to remove it. So first of all, this is what my natural lips look like. I do have very pigmented lips, especially on the upper lips here. So the first shade I'm going to swatch is 01 Mimosa. As you can see, the formula glides on easily on the lips. It doesn't tug the lips. It's very pigmented upon first application. You don't really have to layer it on to get that full opacity. And this is what the shade Mimosa looks on my lips. It's a very beautiful shade. It is like a brick red shade, but it's not too deep. Let me just show you guys how I remove it without using any micellar water. So this is a dry cotton pad, and I'm going to remove this one. The next shade is 02 Morning Glory. This is in the shade Morning Glory. The next shade is Orchid. It's a pinky shade. To me, it still is wearable because it's not too neon. So it's a soft pink shade. This will look so beautiful on light skin tones. The next shade is Daffodil. So this is the shade Daffodil. It's an orangey shade. It's not too bright. So the way you open, there's a trick to it. This is freshly opened. So when you twist it up, you need to pull down a bit, the twister here. You pull down just a bit and then you twist it up. If you don't do that, the bullet lips will not twist up. The next shade is 04 Columbine. It's a pretty peachy pink shade. I think this shade will look pretty with a wash of peach eyeshadow shade on the lids. It's like a very beautiful lip color for a spring eye makeup look. The last shade is Bluebell 06. So I also want to share with you my favorite lip combination from this lipstick range. So the first is Morning Glory on the outer rims, and on the center I dab in the shade Mimosa. Second combination is Daffodil on the outer rim, and on the center again the shade Mimosa. Mimosa is such a beautiful shade to use on the center to look like a popsicle stain on the center of your lips. Okay guys, I did put on other lip color, which is Morning Glory on the outer rim, and then on the center I put on the shade Mimosa. Okay, let's talk about the formula. So the formula is consistent throughout all the shades, and the application wise, how it applied, but the most pigmented shade from this line is Mimosa, which is the first shade I put on my lips, and the other shades have the same pigmentation. They feel very comfortable on the lips, hydrating while still providing you the matte lipstick look. So I'm going to do a transfer test at the back of my hand. So they are not transfer proof. You will get some transfer, but reapplying it is very easy because, like I said, the formula is very comfortable and very nice. It glides on the lips. I don't think that the transfer is a deal breaker. This bullet lipstick is currently retailing for RM24 and 90 cents, but you can always look up for sales. I got mine for 50% off. And I also have the blooming blushers. I will do a separate video swatching all the shades on my cheeks. I think I'm missing one shade, which is the lightest shade that I think will look like a highlighter for me. I have other shades, so look out for that video in the future. My favorite shade from this line is Mimosa 01, which is the shade I put on the center. The second favorite shade is Columbine, which I used on the outer rim. Yeah, the third favorite shade is Morning Glory. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Let me know if you have tried any of the blooming matte lipstick, and if you like the formula, let me know what is your favorite. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I appreciate if you can subscribe. I do a lot of makeup tutorial, review, lipstick swatches. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I hope I see you guys in my next one. Bye. Assalamualaikum.